Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get WhatsApp Business on a laptop or desktop. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. You actually got two ways, all right? So first up, you have the WhatsApp app. For example, this one right here from the Microsoft Store. Just click on it and just click on install. All right, wait a bit. And then once that's done, let's go ahead and open it up. So while it's downloading, let's go ahead and open up the browser or a browser. This is the second method. Just go ahead over to web.whatsapp.com. Okay, and hit on enter. Wait for it to load. All right, as you can see here, I'm already logged in to this specific website. So if this is your first time, just basically click on sign in or use a companion device. I'm going to be showing you right here under the application. Okay, I'm going to click on open. Yep, just like so. Wait a bit. Now click on login. This is for both the application and the web version. Okay, click on login. As you can see here, it's going to ask us to what? Sign in via QR code or sign in with a phone number. So just basically open up the WhatsApp Business app on your specific phone, or just log in using the same exact phone number that is using the WhatsApp Business app. So as you can see on the right hand side here, I have my phone. I'm just going to go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to open up WhatsApp, but don't worry, this one will work on both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. Okay, so I'm just going to open up WhatsApp right here, and all you got to do is just click on the three dots, just find it, and then just click on linked device, just like so, and click on link a device. And then after that, go ahead and face your camera to the specific QR code. And then once that's done, it's going to log you in. All right, that's just basically it. That's how simple it is to get WhatsApp Business on a laptop or PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.